Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start exercise 5E of book D3 8th edition and question number 1. And first of all, I will tell you when two lines are parallel or any 2 points are parallel, so their gradient will be same. M1 is equal to M2. When any 2 or 3 points are collinear, so the pair of any 2 points will be obviously collinear का क्या मतलब होता है कि any 2 point that lie on the same line, when they lie on the same line, so that means their gradient must be same. For example, this is O, A and B. So if you will find gradient of any two pairs, for example if OA or OB या OA or AB, so their gradient must be same, any two pairs. So question number 1 is saying that the gradient of the 4 points, coordinates of the 4 points O, A, B and C is given. Find the value of S, or find the values of K if OA is parallel to BC. So that means I have to find the gradient of OA and I have to find the gradient of BC. And when they are parallel, so according to the given condition, their gradient must be same. Question number 1. First of all, I will find gradient of OA, M1. Gradient of OA. So the value of O is 0 and 0, origin, and A is 2 and 3k. So I have a formula that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. y2 is 3k, y1 is 0, so 3k minus 0 is 0, x2 is 2, so 2 minus 0 is also 0. So m1 is 3k by 2. Gradient of BC, gradient of BC, that means m2 will be equal to the coordinates of B are 4k and 6 and the coordinates of C are 10k and 7. So y2 is 7 minus 6, y1 x2 is 10k and minus 4k. So from here it is 1 divided by 6k. Now according to the given condition, m1 will be equal to m2 because the lines are parallel. m1 is 3k by 2, m2 is 1 divided by 6k. Doing the cross multiplication, it will become 6 into 3 is 18, k square is equal to 1 into 2 is 2. K square is equal to 2 by 18. Cutting is possible. So from here k square is equal to 1 by 9. Taking square root on both sides, this and this cancel, k is equal to plus minus 1 by 3. In part B, they are saying that A and B are collinear. So I can find the value of OA and I can find the value of OB or AB. It's our choice. OA I have already find out, that is M1 is equal to 3k by 2. So there is no need to do it again. I will find the gradient of OB, that is M2. O is 0 0, origin is 0 0, B is 4k and 6. So from here gradient will be equal to 6 minus 0 is 6 divided by 4k. According to the given condition, they both will be same. M1 is equal to M2 because they are collinear. 3k by 2, this is equal to 6 by 4k. Doing cross multiplication, it will become 12k square is equal to 6 multiplied with 2 is 12. K square is equal to 12 and 12 cancel 1. Taking square root on both sides, so it will become k is equal to plus minus 1. Remember that whenever there is a square root, you have to put a plus minus sign. Otherwise आपके पास एक ही आंसर होगा जो फिर रॉन्ग कंसिडर किया जाएगा. ओके जी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. The coordinates of 3 point A, B and C. Find the value of K if AB is perpendicular to BC. When any 2 points or any 2 lines are perpendicular, AB is perpendicular. This symbol is used for perpendicular. AB is perpendicular to BC. So the condition for the gradient is that M1 dot means multiply. M2 is equal to minus 1. So first of all, find out the gradient of AB, that is M1. A points is 1 and 1, B points are minus 1 and 4. So 4 minus 1 divided by minus 1 minus 1. So it will become 4 minus 1 is 3 divided by minus 2. This is M1. M2 will be equal to gradient of BC. B points are minus 1 and 4 and C points are 6 and K. C के points हैं हमारे पास 6 and K. Okay. K minus 4 divided by 6 minus minus will become plus 1. K minus 4 divided by 7. Now according to the given condition you have to put this in your formula. M1 is 3 by 2 minus 2. This dot mean multiplication, so it's better to put a bracket. Is equal to minus 1. Now this numerator will multiply with the numerator and denominator will multiply with the denominator. So 3 multiply with 3, it will become 3k minus 3 4s are 12. And this 2 multiply with 7 is minus 14 is equal to minus 1. In the next step, this minus 14 will shift on the other side. Minus 12, this is equal to minus 1 multiply with minus 14. So 3k minus 12 is equal to minus minus will become plus 14. This minus 12 will shift on the other side and it will become 14 plus 12. And 3k is equal to, it will become 26, and by the end k will be equal to 26 by 3. This is your answer. For parallel, we have a condition that the gradient will be same, and for perpendicular, we have a condition that their product will be equal to minus 1.